Hi, as we all know, inefficiency in property asset management can lead to significant financial losses. Delayed maintenance, unexpected equipment failures, and compliance issues disrupt operations and diminish tenant satisfaction. These challenges not only affect service quality but also impact revenue and asset value. To address these issues, the Akira AI Agentic platform introduces AI agents as droids and teammates for property asset management. This innovative system offers real-time support, automates troubleshooting, and enhances productivity management. This innovative system offers real-time support, automates troubleshooting, and enhances predictive maintenance. Property asset management faces several significant challenges that impact operational efficiency and profitability. Reactive maintenance is a common issue, where addressing equipment failures only after they occur leads to increased downtime and higher repair cost. This approach often results in unexpected disruptions and financial strains. Another major challenge is the presence of data silos within organizations. Information is often fragmented across various systems, making it difficult for property managers to access comprehensive real-time data. This fragmentation hinders informed decision-making and delays critical responses to emerging issues. So further, compliance complexity adds to the burden as property managers must navigate a landscape of evolving regulations and standards. Ensuring adherence requires meticulous oversight, and any lapses can lead to significant penalties and damage to the organization's reputation. Additionally, knowledge gaps among staff pose a challenge. Inconsistent training and information sharing result in varied service quality and slower response time. This inconsistency can affect tenant satisfaction and overall operational efficiency. Addressing these challenges is crucial for optimizing property asset management and achieving sustainable success. The Akira AI agent platform addresses these challenges through the deployment of specialized AI agents. The AI agent as knowledge orchestrator centralizes property-related data, streamlining maintenance scheduling and tasks by prioritizing to ensure effective operations. Meanwhile, the AI agent for real-time insights provide up-to-date information on energy consumption, occupancy, and equipment status, enabling informed decision-making. For troubleshooting, the AI agents offer step-by-step guidance, reducing resolution times and enhancing technician effectiveness. Further, to prevent unexpected failures, AI agent for predictive maintenance analyze equipment performance to forecast potential issues, allowing for proactive intervention that minimize downtime. Additionally, the AI agent for compliance monitoring automates compliance check, ensuring adherence to regulations and minimizing associated risk. Further, by integrating these AI agents, the platform transforms property asset management into a proactive, data-driven discipline and enhancing operational efficiency and reducing cost and elevating tenant satisfaction. So by implementing the Agentic property asset management system offers substantial benefits. By employing predictive strategies and optimizing resource allocation, organizations can achieve up to 30% reduction in maintenance cost. This approach not only lowers expenses but also enhances operational efficiency. Additionally, the system contributes to 20% improvement in service quality, which leads to higher tenant satisfaction and increased retention rate. The automation of manual tasks results in significant time saving, reclaiming over 50 hours per month that can be redirected towards more strategic activities. Furthermore, the system ensures improved compliance, reducing the likelihood of fines and enhancing operational transparency. So collectively, these advantages position organizations to operate more effectively and deliver superior service to tenants. So let's experience the transformative capabilities of Agentic AI platform in our upcoming demonstration, showcasing how AI-driven solutions can revolutionize property asset management.
Maintaining property assets is challenging due to unexpected equipment failures, leading to costly disruptions and hindering seamless operations. Upon logging in, the admin sees a dashboard with real-time asset status, performance metrics, and active alerts. With the help of the AI chat agent, she inquires about a malfunction in the HVAC system. The AI real-time monitoring agent detects an issue with the cooling system. Based on this insight, suggests troubleshooting steps: inspecting air filters, checking refrigerant levels, and restarting the system. AI agent provides history of similar cases. The admin reviews the case history and selects a similar issue. The AI agent then combines insights from both the current diagnosis and the past case, suggesting a refined troubleshooting approach. The admin reports that the air filters are clean and the system has been restarted, but the issue persists. The AI copilot now asks the admin to verify refrigerant levels, as this could still be the root cause. After verifying, the admin inquires about any upcoming maintenance. The AI agent informs the admin that a preventive maintenance alert is scheduled for next month and offers to reschedule it to a closer date. The AI agent also reminds the admin to follow the building's operational compliance standards during the maintenance. Finally, a summary report is generated, detailing the troubleshooting steps, past case insights, and maintenance alerts, ensuring efficient issue resolution and future planning. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with Agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.